Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at Bitskout, which is an amazing tool to help you if you've been running a business or a digital business of any kind by streamlining all of your different workflows into one place. Without further ado guys, let's jump into today's video. So if you've been running digital businesses or you have a number of different tasks to be doing each day for different businesses that you're working for, or if you run them yourself, then you'll find that it can be quite confusing when you've got pieces of information in one place, other pieces of information in another place, and you want to streamline all of that into one convenient place or one convenient workflow. So Bitskout will take the pain out of manual data entry to tools, create smart plugins powered by AI, and automatically extract information from files, emails, documents, etc. for your tasks. This is going to allow you to get more than 5 hours of worth of meaningful work per week together, and that's obviously going to help you because 5 hours is a lot of time and can really help you out. There's a video here explaining a little bit more about how it all works. If you've been using tools like Monday.com, Asana, etc., then it's going to take all of the information from each of these different tools and then put it all through into one place. And also when you then create information or receive information in the form of emails, other documents, etc., it's going to extract that information, put it into your work plans like Monday.com, and then you're going to have the workflows already built in for you without having to spend all your time putting it in yourself manually. Dear Bitskout, I need to extract email, and then you can see a plug and play smart plugins, create automations powered by AI with a few clicks. No coding or training is required. Just choose what you want to do, give some examples, and you are ready to go. And you can see integrated tools you're already probably using, of which there's all of these here. So you'll probably recognize the logos, the ones you've been using, like Dropbox, Monday.com, Google, etc., and a few others. So you can automate your manual data entry. Stop hiring talent to do the work everyone hates. Push manual data entry and other repetitive tasks to Bitskout and focus on the high-level activities. Obviously, hiring people to do manual tasks, it's not necessarily about the tasks being boring or whatever like that, but it's the fact that you have to pay money to get people to do these data entry tasks, and there is a more straightforward or a simple way to do it like this. And you can see there's an example here where you've got a photocopied document and it has extracted all of the information into a clear, concise bit of information here, and then you can put that into the appropriate workflow. Down below you got the blog with a bit more information about what's going on with the different teams, some of the other cool things that they've been working on. And you can see guys, we have the opportunity to start a free trial. Okay, now that I've signed up, which literally took guys like 2 seconds to put in my information, you see I've got a 14-day free trial. So going through the link down below in the description, you can come across and get a 14-day free trial of Bitskout to see if it's something that will help you improve your experience running your business. We'll also look at the pricing models in just a minute. You can see that we have on the left hand side a little bit of information. We've got the integrations here, we've got the plugins, so we can then attach any plugins and things that we need to here. We've also got submissions. Click on create new model, and that's going to bring me to this page here. You can see that I can name my model, give it a description, and then you can see the different things that I want to do. For example, data extraction, data comparison, text creation, location analysis, forecasting, and then on the end, probably behind my video, you're going to see classification. So if I just click here on data extraction, then you can see it gives me lots of different information about where I might extract that from, whether that be a business card, forms, tables, etc. Data comparison, then you've got documents, images, faces. I can click on all of these different ones. It's giving me loads of different templates to be able to work with, which is all pretty cool guys, and all very straightforward to do. And you can see I can click find anything, and then this is going to give me even more things I can click on here. Here you can see by AI models I can click on add. For plugins you can also create things like workflows, and you can see there's one here which is an email, and then you can see I can add more and more of these as it goes along, putting everything into one place and making it all very straightforward and easy to run. So in terms of pricing then guys, obviously you got that 14-day free trial through the link down below in the description, but you also have these different options. Once you've tried out the trial for free, you can see the solo plan, which gives me 100 workflows, up to 10 scouts, 5 active plugins, 100 megabytes of storage, and then coming over to the most popular 500 workflow runs, up to 5 users included with unlimited scouts, 50 active plugins, 2 gigabytes of storage, and then if you need anything more than that guys, you can contact them probably negotiate a special offer for using a very advanced plan. There's more FAQs here where you can go and find out a bit more information if you want to come and see all of the different information about what each level is really going to give you and what you need for that. One cool thing, no credit card required for that 14-day free trial, so you can just head over to that link in the description, get started now, absolutely free, no credit card, all very straightforward. So in summary guys, if you run a digital or a brick and mortar business and you have workflows that you need to start streamlining by creating a very simple and straightforward system to manage all of those basic tasks, then you need to head over to bitskout.com, which is linked down below in the description. Get yourself a 14-day free trial so you can have a go at this for absolutely free. If you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about some amazing digital products that are going to help you to improve your business or make money online, then look no further and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest products coming out. Hope you enjoyed today's video guys. I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye bye.